a joué com um gros superstar. Por exemplo, um superstar.
Guys, send the heart me.
So, guys, por exemplo, a joué com um gros superstar. Okay, guys.
Lenny, thank you so much, babe.
Okay, tell your friend. Okay. Junior, can you leave the game? Can you leave the game, Junior?
Yes.
Okay, leave the game. Let me with Holly right now.
Okay.
Let me with Holly.
Seal City.
Alright, no problem. Go.
007, Miss Lutz.
Alright, see you. Leave the game. Let me with Holly right now.
He's a little lie right now. Alright, baby.
Let me with Holly right now. Okay. Holly,
Hey,
are you ready?
are you ready?
Ima desse mpwe. Guys, tapo ta guys. Guys, motivé. 1 minute. Stay here. 1 minute. Guys, motivé, guys. Mas again pour.
Chinese. And a donut. Let's get it together, y'all. Please, thank you guys. Help with me. Go.
Guys,
Go.
Guys, fuck, chérie.
Trish, go triples.
Guys, fuck toi.
Triples, go.
Fuck toi.
Go.
Guys!
Seconds, go triples. Miss Lush.
Guys, fuck toi. Guys, profitez. Guys, c'est final.
We can beat him.
Aïe!
Go, use him. Lakeisha, Trevor.
Dadas!
Go.
Dadas!
That was so good. Oh my gosh. And we can
Respect, Eddie.
these gloves. Carl, thank you so much for the crap. Everybody throws a K now. We can snipe.
That's it.
Snipe.
This girl!
Snipe.
That's it! Fucking number one super daddy!
Thank you, Lakeisha.